up guys, Ft-lbs here. Today on this beautiful Sunday we'll be replacing the Brembo brakes on my Dodge Challenger SRT. Tools of the trade today is a 3-ton floor jack, your wheel locks or a 22mm socket for the OEM sockets, impact gun and an air compressor, or you could use a ratchet breaker bar or something similar, a hammer and 1/8 pin punch for the Brembo pins, vice grips, a C-clamp and flathead screwdriver to compress the Brembo brake calipers. We're also going to need a 21mm socket for the caliper bracket, torque wrench, and that's about it.
Let's see. Okay. Let's get these babies out. And Bob's your uncle. Boom! Boom, baby. Look at that. Like butter. Right there. Love it. The bolt in my hand. Look at that. There you go.
The same process goes for the rears. Just repeat the process for each of the wheels and you should be good to go. In specific, this one here is a 4-piston Brembo brake system. Some of you guys have a 6-piston and some of you guys don't have the Brembo brake system, but it's all a similar process.
Subscribe, stay tuned for more, and let's have at her. Let's do this. Oh yeah, gotta do the flex.